Hey everyone, Mixer Tech here, and in today's video we are going to be exploring some of the programs, and by some, I mean all the programs, on wilsonsissel.com. So, you know what, instead of just doing a little intro like I did with the last two videos, where I talk about a long intro, let's just get straight into it. I have 3 programs. I believe so, anyway, I have like 3 or 4. So let's just get this party or video started, shall we? Or shall we not? So here we are on wilsonsissel.com, and we have 3 programs, like I said earlier. But before we do anything else, I just want to let you know that we're almost at 30 subs. So let's get the 30 subs. We're at 28 right now. You can see it moving around the screen. Come on, let's get the 30. We need 2 more. And that's it. Let's do this, everyone. Subscribe! Alright, let's go. So once again, this is wilsonsissel.com right here. And now the first app is the program App Store. So this is like the App Store. Like, for example, the Microsoft Store for, like, Windows apps, or the Google Play Store for Android, or the App Store for macOS and iOS. So, yeah. We're going to start with the mini App Store. So, it has Chrome, Minecraft, and Roblox built in. It's very small. It's not, like, as big as, like, the Google Play Store once again, so, yeah. Alright, now let's get it downloaded, man. This will take you to a Google Drive page, and you can just download from there. I got it downloaded, and here it is. It's running right now. So you can see, once again, it's got the 3 apps. Google Chrome, Minecraft, and Roblox. Now, I have a little question for you. Vote which one. You like Minecraft better? Or Roblox better? I like Minecraft better. Just put it down in the comments. Alright. We're gonna get started. So with Google Chrome, and all the other apps, it opens like a little menu as soon as you click them. Same for Minecraft, same for Roblox. And then close the menu, just like an X button. I should put that instead of like this close button closes it. You can see, like, it switches them, and you can just close them all. So, for Google Chrome, you can visit the website, self-explanatory, you just take it to the website, or you can do a direct download. Direct download also takes you to the web browser, just downloads it. Basically, that's it, done. Although, the same cannot be said about Minecraft, because Minecraft costs money. So instead of, like, a visit website and direct download, you've only got download. It doesn't even say direct download. It just says download. But some might be thinking, don't you have to buy the game first before you download it? Well, when you click download, it takes you to this. It asks you to agree, which apparently you cannot see because that's weird. Sorry about that, you cannot see it, but there's a low UI that says you have to buy Minecraft Online and create an account. So you have to download it from the official Minecraft website, minecraft.net. I'm actually moving the cursor too. And then there's also a checkbox below it that says, I agree, I have to create a Mojang account and pay $26.95 in US dollars to buy and download Minecraft. So there you go. I know you can't see it, but luckily for you, I took a screenshot of it, and now it's right in front of your face. So it says, you have to buy Minecraft online and create an account. So you have to download it from the official website, minecraft.net. I agree, I have to create a Mojang account and pay $26.95 in US dollars to buy and download Minecraft. And there you go. And then once again, there's like a checkbox below there that when you press it, the visit website button enables. You can see it's grayed out right now. But when you check the checkbox, which I can't because it's only a screenshot, that button enables. Now let's move on. Alright, now here we have Roblox. Roblox is the same. I know you don't have to buy it. But the reason I did this again, just like Minecraft before, is because you have to create an account. Because you don't have to create an account for Google Chrome. I mean, it's optional, but at least you have to you sign in when you actually run the program, not on the actual website. So when you click download, a new UI pops up, which you cannot see, but you can see now. That UI pops up. There's no text, it's only a checkbox. You read it, it says, I agree I have to create an account on Roadblocks.com and download it from the official website. Once you click that checkbox, the visit website and download button will enable. And there's also a close button, of course. And that's it for this app. We can just be on our way by clicking the close option box and just closing the program. Booyah. Now let's move on. Before you do, once again we're close to 30 subs, so now let me get the other program. See ya when I do. So I thought there were 3 programs, and apparently I was wrong. There are only 2. And the other one is actually a very great program, if I have to say myself. And that's basically it. There's a new... And a quick disclaimer, there is a new program, like a new version of that program out, but I can't get it right now. I will upload the following video considering that. Later part 2. Now, let's get the original version. I will get it. Don't worry. Now let's head to wilsonsissel.com. Alright, here we are back at wilsonsissel.com. I know I said this many times, but we're close to 30 subs. Now, let's do this. We're going to download this program. This is a settings menu. Test settings menu. Doesn't work. I created it. It does not work, but it is cool. Windows only. So let's go ahead and download it. I'll see you when I'm done. Okay, here we are in the program. So it is not full screen, which means I cannot extend it to the whole screen. So instead I just put a background on there. Now, here it is. Got brightness. And what I did is I actually, see this little text over here? It actually changes. Like, based on the slider value. So for example, if it's 45 or 48, it changes to 48. And that's just it, man. And we got a little drop down here. You can change the resolution. Believe it or not, these are all the resolutions supported on the computer I'm actually using. So I just copied it from Windows settings. And over down here we have external display settings. It opens a separate window, so here it is. So as you can see, we have a few options. We can just change the external display type, like duplicate, extend, and second screen only, which apparently you can't see. Or, down here it says show taskbar on second display, and show taskbar buttons on second display. But it wouldn't make sense if you had this disabled, and have this enabled. So, I just gray it out. Simple. Easy. You know, right? Don't you think so? I would think so. So we're back to the normal form 1. Now we're going to switch to the Do Not Disturb tab. Now here, we have a lot of options. And I mean a lot of options, a lot of checkboxes, a lot of these, a lot of buttons. And there's more settings within that button. I mean, how many options are there? Whoa! So, we have this checkbox, which enables this button. Takes you to another UI settings, which I have right here. So, this is not available, says coming soon, because I'm going to give you like a little sneak talk about what I'm planning on doing. What I'm planning on doing is having a button here that allows you to choose the apps that are allowed. Didn't feel like adding it then, but now I feel like doing it. Which I'm not going to do tonight because I don't have Visual Studio on this computer. So there you go. Now you're going to have to stare at a green screen for a few seconds. And please don't make any effects out of this for a YTP. I'm just kidding, do it. I like the laugh. If you want to make a YTP of my videos, go ahead. I love it. I would love it if you did that. Green screen. Who knew? Alright, now we are back to the original settings bit right here. So, now that button's grayed out again. Now these aren't. Now, you might be wondering how I did this. Because Visual Studio doesn't support this kind of option. Like, it has like a group box, but does not have a group box with a checkbox. What I did is I put spaces there instead of like doing it in Windows. Like, I put spaces and then I put the checkbox text there. So this text is actually part of the checkbox, not the group box. So that's how I did that. Now we have like its old time right here and everything. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever. But we have like a separate option for weekends. We have weekdays, and then we have weekends. I mean, I'm sure everyone would want Do Not Disturb disabled on weekends. I'm sorry, enabled on weekends as well. But in case they don't, they only want it on weekdays. There you go. Weekends. You know, comment below if I should add Friday there. Now, let's move on to the battery tab. Battery tab, it's actually a very simple tab. We have a checkbox here and a checkbox there that enables this button, which takes you to another UI, which I have right here. It's very simple. In fact, this is probably one of the simplest UIs out of all of them. System 12%, Roblox 0.2%, Chrome 3%. I'm telling you, Chrome is a hog of battery and memory. According to this, anyway. I mean, I don't know if Chrome is a battery hog, but definitely is a memory hog. So I should memorize that. And memorize that out. Because, get it? No? Yes? Hedgehogs? Memory hog? He needs to memorize the hog of memory? What am I doing with my humor? Let's just move on. So after that humorous moment I just had, we're back here. Let me just disable that. Boom. Now here's the most complicated tab. You're gonna love this tab, honestly. So here we have a lot of buttons, a lot of options, and this permanently disabled checkbox. But you can never disable this checkbox. You can never check this checkbox. It's permanently grayed out. Not even I can do anything because I don't have Visual Studio on this computer. Even if I did, I wouldn't have the files. It's on an external hard drive I have somewhere. Anyway, so here we could do disable, and it disables everything on this tab except this. Options, it's all disabled. All disabled except this. Click enable. Disables. Enables, not disables. What am I doing? So, see these two buttons? Info and delete? What, is disable stuck in my head or something? Because why do I keep saying it? I have these moments. I have them. If you have them, I have them too. I'm sorry. Anyway, if we click this button, we have info. And we click this. No, it's basically like a little info thing. Network name, other info. Or delete. It just deletes it. In another video, in part 3, I'm going to be showing you all the code behind it. It's going to be a very small video, like max 3 minutes, of just showing you the code and taking you through a tiny tour. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's not going to be a maximum of 3 minutes. I'm going to be taking a tour of it for all the expert coders out there. Who knows C#? I really hope you do. But wait, how this connect now button? It opens a new UI, which I have right here. So it's relatively simple yet relatively complicated. You have a little question mark up here, which, like near the X button. If you click that, opens a little thing. Obviously you can't see it. It says, select the network, enter the password, and connect. Simple. Note, the security type option cannot be changed. You also cannot close this window unless you connect to a network. Very restrictive, but that's the only choice I had because of a code malfunction. So, yeah. So we have a network name, red31, click that, this connect button enables. The password, you can enter the password. Note, I'm not going to tell you the password because it's my personal password. I should change it so that way you guys can access it as well. But I'm going to show you what happens if you enter a password. Wrong password anyway. Enter the wrong password, it just says incorrect Wi-Fi password. Enter the right password, which is my personal password. Red31 appears. And obviously you can't see it, so now you can. See, Red31 appeared. And click delete or info. And we have a Bluetooth tab, which doesn't have anything because I was too lazy to add it. Yes, I admit it. I was lazy to add it. So, I think that's about it. Now you can just stare at this green screen. Well, everyone, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Honestly, it was very fun to make. I actually had lots of fun making these. And you know what? I really do have a lot of fun making these videos. Satisfying, as I would say. Now, before I go, I'm going to promote wilsonsissel.com, as I usually do. Check it out. And then you can check out these apps for yourselves. And then here we have a new version. Not the new version, like the external websites version where I feature external websites. Like, for example, flatkirk.com. In fact, let's check it out right now. Very funny. Go check it out.
Look at my face.
Alright. Now, let's end the video. I really hope you enjoyed my video. And I will see you guys next time. Hey, if you really do enjoy my videos, check out some more. We got plenty more on the left.